Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Pet Exec. We're going to check the pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Pet Exec itself, and also we'll compare the price tags with some competitors. So what is it? Pet Exec is a cloud-based kennel management software designed to help pet daycare, boarding, grooming, and training centers streamline various administrative operations, such as online bookings, customer handlings, and more. Pet owners can use the self-service portal to schedule appointments and receive automated reminders about upcoming stays, pay deposits, or purchase packages. Kennels can customize the prices of boarding services and create digital scorecards to track pets, feeding, and medicine dosage. Administrators can collect client signatures on digital contracts and store veterinary records or vaccination documents in a centralized database. Additionally, it allows users to maintain a record of customers' transactions or order history for future preferences. Pet Exec enables boarding centers to manage waitlisted clients and automatically calculate daycare fees based on the number of hours or days of stay. Pricing is available on request, and support is extended via email, phone, and in inquiry form. So you have to be prepared that there is no budgets. Basically, you can't really check back what you are getting in each and every bundle. There's an option of join our pack, which is just a flexible plan option with Pet Exec Web, which is offering one simple package, $105 a month. All services are included, pals on board, and dedicated support team. Then we have Pet Exec Web plus Pet Snaps. There are Pet Snaps messaging. And with $155 a month, you get the mobile app. Which is, kinda expensive, I have to say. What is about the Pet Exec business type or business plan? It's for daycares, boarders, groomers, trainers, and scheduled services. When we check the daycares, also, if you're running one and you are in a need of some type of CRM for pets, I would say the Pet Exec is the best option on the market right about now that you can use. Same goes for boarders, groomers, and trainers as well. Basically, Pet Exec is something that you are maybe using in your ordinary work life if you work in a corporate. So it's some kind of SaaS option for pet centers, which I really like because everything is balanced towards pet owners and the business taking care of your loved ones, and that's a great thing. We can check about carriers, partners, and also the login. Here you should come when your account is all set up. Then we have add-ons, Pet Exec mobile app, Snaps messaging, Golden Paw coaching, data transfer, barcode key tags. Then demo and webinar, contact, and also the login that we covered a few moments ago. For this, you have to contact them for at least a demo. and it's not that easy to get in. I mean, it's not most certainly the fastest one, because you can't really log in, or you can't really try their free version of Pet Exec. That's why we can't just go in. We have to wait on join our pack. And yeah, you have to go straight away with paid option. No demos, but you can get in touch with them, and you can ask them if there is some kind of option for you of booking a demo, or some kind of training course. Yeah, that at the moment, since we ask for the demo for me, we have to wait till they reach back. Up until that, I saw some videos, I saw the reviews, and it should be really, really nice. You can watch this video, but it's from 2017, so yep, it's not that great. Up until now, thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions about Pet Exec and also the other CRM, not only for pets, but also that you can use in your daily work life, you can check my channel to see everything. There is gaming content, there is also the professional CRM content that you can check, also decide if you like it or not. I'll be doing more videos about Pet Exec for sure, because it's really something that stands out on the market at the moment, and I really like it. And I saw the application with my own eyes, and it's really easy to read, it's easy to work with, and you won't really go wrong with Pet Exec. So guys, if you have any types of questions, how to reach to them, how to book a demo for yourself, and how to find out if the Pet Exec is the best option for you, please let me know underneath this video in the comments, and I'll try to answer you as quickly as possible. Up until that, yet again, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.